Hi, y'all. Let's do a quick little navigation tour on here. I'm going to share my screen on the student view, so it's going to be a little bit different even from yours. But let me get over here. Okay, so on this page, this is when you log into the course. This is the home page that we're on. Let me talk really quickly about this global navigation here. We're on the course. And that's where you're accessing this course, obviously. But the other thing I want to point out is the inbox on here. And this is where you're going to get some messages. I'm going to click on it right now. There's nothing in there right now. And I can't really show you what it looks like because this is the student view from my instructor view. So it just doesn't give me access on there. But I wanted to show you that that was available to you and that that's where you're going to get some notifications, and you'll get a little, I think there's going to be a little like, a circle with a number in it to show you how many notifications you might have here. And you'll want to check that for different kinds of communications. Okay, so once you're in the course, this left navigation menu is going to be home base, basically. On this homepage, you have some information about me, and then contact information for me. And then this down here gives you a little bit of course navigation tips. This is how you can access the syllabus, the schedule, and start your modules. And also you can enter a support area. Let me click on that real quick and show you. You can access information about how to use Canvas. This is a self-help area. You would click on the student button and access information, questions about using Canvas or anything like that. You can also, if you're having other questions, you can enter student info and you can check the UNM database for student information. Also, you can submit a question or enter a chat. And you do that through here. You click students and enter that information at the prompts. Here's another avenue for support. It's the 24/7 Canvas hotline. And this is the telephone number for that. And then you can also send email. Also, just in case you have any other kinds of IT issues and you're not sure what to do, you can call the UNM customer support desk at IT. So that's how you would navigate the help services area. Let's see what else. Let's pop into a module. So you can get to the modules from here, clicking this link, or you can navigate from here. I'll show you real quick that this takes you to the modules. And if I'm already back on home and I use this one, goes to the same place. So either way that you choose to get to modules, either by using this left menu or by clicking that link at the bottom of the homepage, either way works. It takes you right here. This top part is all the orientation materials and some other tips on how to navigate and how to access different resources. So you'll want to take time and look at all of that. And then your module content is going to be here each week. You're going to have this opened up for the different modules. So let's just pop in here and see what we're going to be doing. So module 1, adult learners and the psychology of learning. Here's that first overview for the module. This is going to be a consistent format through the course for each week when you're entering a new module. You'll have some introductory information here, the learning objectives, the materials that you're going to be using for that particular week. Either it's going to be this textbook, one of the textbooks, or it might be some other material there. And then here's basically the checklist of different activities that you're going to be covering for the week. And, you'll just work through each one of those. And then down here is another avenue for technical support. Each time you click on this, I'm going to click on this link again, it's going to take you right back here to this page that we just covered, where you can access information about Canvas, submit a ticket or search the database and student info, contact the 24/7 Canvas hotline, email canvas@unm.edu, or call the IT support center for help. So back on the modules, what you're going to do is once you're in the module, you can just click next, and it's going to take you to that very next piece. So you see it says useful resources for module 1. Let me pop back here and show you. If we are looking at module 1, you see the next step after the overview was useful resources for module 1. So that navigation is possible through this avenue, clicking the module navigation on the left and getting there basically like through an outline format, or you can get there sequentially as you complete each phase of that module. Then you click next and it takes you right there. And let me show you too. Also, while you're reviewing the content in the modules, you're going to see these links that direct you to another resource. So let's just do it real quick. We're going to pop on that, and it takes you over to this other external site and allows you to read this material. I don't mean to make you dizzy by scrolling so fast, but I just wanted to show you that this takes you out of the module into an external source. And the same thing here, it's another link. If you said, now what was that I saw on the last piece? I wanted to look at that list again of our activities for the week. Just hit previous, scroll down, and there it is. So you're going to navigate through the module and using these previous and next buttons. Let's see, what else about that? Oh, I also want to show you that you can access the assignments and discussions through this this navigation as well. The other key thing on here is grades. You're going to access grades this way. There's nothing in here right now. But the assignments show up. You don't have, there's nothing graded in here, but this is what it looks like. And this is where you're going to view your grades and any feedback from me on your assignment. And then of course you see down here too, the Zoom meetings as I get those. There's nothing scheduled right now, right? Yeah, but as these are scheduled, then those meetings will pop up and you'll know. You can just go right to this page and click right on that link. So I hope that helps you to navigate the course. And if you have any questions, just let me know.